I'm going to be playing Ratchet and Clank on my new PS4, man. I got it last month. You know, my man. I know. And yeah, I'm playing Ratchet and Clank on my first video. And yeah, I really don't know. I am like pretty far in the game. It's just I wanted to like get used to the game before I actually started recording it. So I thought that if I recorded it now, now this thing, where am I supposed to get? Here, let me just suck the water out. Boom! Guys, you see that? That was sick, man. Oopsies. What am I supposed to do here? I really don't know. Let me go up. Connect this. Jump in. Hello, man. Thanks, mate. Boom! Are you still not down? Knock you in the pool. I'm gonna knock you in the pool, man. Thank you, man. Now there's two of these little things. Enemy down. Thanks, Ratchet. I think I got it from here. Okay, so guys, oh man, that's disgusting.
Sewer pumps activated.
Oh boy. I believe we should run now.
Oh, my man. You can't do anything. You're better. Just jump over them. Jump over. Jump over. Jump over. Oh no. Bad idea. Okay, I can destroy this guy.
Ratchet, we must keep moving.
I'm trying, pal.
Oh, I don't care about these guys. Bye. Have a nice time. Bye.
The water is rising.
Oh, that was close.
Give me your nuts and bolts. I must have a... Okay. So I just escaped the water. It was very hard. This is my first video without
This
actually
place looks like
playing
bad
online.
news. Better keep our eyes peeled.
Who's this
Clank.
guy?
Hey, pal. You got any of them Rhino holo cards?
Who is that?
What's a rhino?
Only the most powerful super weapon in the galaxy, Chief.
I've seen all the cutscenes. Whoa.
The trespasser can short-circuit powered locks.
The goal is to power sports exterior of the lock of the lasers.
Rotate
Yeah.
selected control ring to point laser at power port.
There.
Detected port powered. Proceed power remaining port with remaining laser.
Trespass complete. Thanks. Tyler, I'm doing a video.
Travel to other planets and stuff. Hollow cards are everywhere.
Okay, I don't need to know that. I know that they're
Let's enter
everywhere.
that hoverboard race.
Let's see what I can do.
Would like you to upgrade him.
Mr. Zircon. Mitchell, is that you? That's Thomas.
I would totally buy that if I
We're
were
going
you.
outside. And bolts. That. And all like that.
Isn't raritanium awesome?
Okay, I think that's enough. Boom! I'm betting.
Rodent type organism detected. Exterminate. Exterminate all.
Where's my Mr. Zircon? Boom!
Nice.
He's helping me. Come on, Mr. Zircon. Help me, Mr. Zircon, please. I don't like. Is that everyone? Yep, that's everyone. Let's go, Mr. Zircon. Collect these, because that gives me a lot of stuff. There. Thanks. Die. No, Mr. Zircon, please. Please, man. Mr. Zircon.
Mr. Zircon cannot be destroyed. Did no one warn you about Mr. Zircon?
Let's go, Mr. Zircon. Don't want to be late for our training.
Flee before Mr. Zircon.
Okay, these guys are huge. These guys are huge. Just kill him. No, no, guys. I don't think this is necessary. Boom.
This is necessary.
Guys, I'm okay. Boom. Hello, mate. How you doing? Sorry, I need to destroy your twins, even though you're a pregnant man.
Oh boy.
Why are they
Out
so...
of ammo.
This is weapons. Let's go now. Like collecting these nuts and bolts, if you know what I mean. Boom! Okay.
Attention residents of Blackwater City. In lieu of a security team, we've released a whole mess of exterminabots into the city.
I want to buy
We've also
some.
dispatched a few automated tanks, just to speed things
The
along.
close range
The
of an
onboard
armed
AI
cannon
doesn't let them
bursts with
distinguish between trespassers
enemies
and
back in
locals,
time.
so
In time
it's
when
probably best to
resolution is a
stay
lot lower.
indoors.
What's this? I honestly don't know what this is. I can't get any of this. You know what? I'm getting a gun. No, wait. Let's get a little bomb going in there. Boom! Boom! I don't need to do anything. Get all the way there. Just get another photo drum. These things are like the best. Let's get a photo drum there. Oh no, I'm out of ammo. Mr. Zircon, please. Die! Die, all of you! You don't deserve to live. Okay, guys, if you don't like I'm concentrating, I'm just a kid. You see me? I'm just playing this and oh, I'm going to lose. Oh hell no! Boom! Hello mate, how you doing? Oh, bye bye. Probably not. Zircon, you need to help me.
Why do you hide, stinky alien? Mr. Zircon only wishes for to kill you.
Hey, Mrs. Zircon, you're very nice. You could die, man. I killed everyone.
I doubt
Bye.
that's the last of them.
Okay, so I think I'm just gonna collect all these nuts and bolts. They're really helpful. Like when I had the PS3, guys, like just listen. Like when I was in like I don't know year 3 or year 2, like maybe even year 1, I had a PS3 instead of an Xbox or PS4. And when I had that PS3, I had 2 Ratchet Clanks. One I bought from Morrison's, and the other one was... Yeah, so I had one from Morrison's, which was a Ratchet Clank, and I was very far on that. I nearly finished the game. And then I had another, the first Ratchet Clank, the first official Ratchet Clank, and that was sick as well.
Vermin sighted. Exterminate.
Yay, more nuts. Bolts. Go link in the description and say if you're a Jake Paul or a low gangster. I personally am a low gangster. Yep, low gang. I'm a low gang man. Who doesn't want to be a murderer? I say I want it.
More of them.
Do I have a bar? Nope, I do have actually. I think I actually do. Hello, mate. How you doing? Boom. How you doing? How you doing?
Oh boy, out of ammo.
This should take care of everything. There, that's my job done. Everything's out of ammo. I'll just freeze. Look.